Hello and welcome back to the GT Woodshop. I have in front of me a package which I am incredibly excited to open. However, before I do, I must issue a disclaimer. In previous videos I've mentioned that I'm not fixated with sharpening, and I'm not. However, I've succumbed to the wily wills of the marketing people and bought a little something just to make my non-fixatedness better. I have purchased 2 Shapton Ceramic Sharpening Stones. Now, that may seem contradictory to the statement that I've just made, but I can assure you that it's not. It's only to achieve the minimum required. So let's get my trusty knife and open said package and see what they're like in the flesh, or the glass, as it were. The packaging is very Apple-esque, but impressive. If you've seen my Narex chisels unpacking video, then you'll be aware of how unimpressive the packaging of that was. This is at the entire opposite end of the scale. You even get a delicious little bag. You can go shopping with it or pop your lunch in it when you go to work. And inside these delicious black boxes are the very stones themselves. How beautiful are they? I have a 2000 and an 8000. I feel very indulgent. The instructions said it's first time use to submerge them in water for 3 to 5 minutes. So I'll do just that and I'll see you back then. Ta-ra. Well, my stones have been soaking for 5 minutes, so I believe they're ready. I can see a bit of an issue, in as much as being on a piece of glass, they may slip and slide around a little bit. I may have to make some modifications to my sharpening table, but I'm sure it'll be worth it. Such a beautiful, pristine surface. I'm really not inclined to make it dirty. But if I don't, there's not a lot of point in having it, is there? So let's have my number 10 chisel. Now this is a 2000 grit stone, but on their website, which I'll put a link to below in the description, this says it's the coarse stone. So this is just plain water that I have here. I'm really interested to see what effect it has. My My goodness, that acts quick. Let me get a piece of tissue. Good Lord. They really are very quick. And that's done, right to the edge. Blimey. Let's try the front, see if it's as quick. Got to get rid of that lacquered finish on there first. Well, that's that gone. You can see the steel it's removing. This is seriously impressive. Done. Good Lord. I hope you can see that. 8,000 grit. Here we go. I hope you can see the polish on the back of that. It's like a piece of glass. Unbelievable. Just look at that. I'm almost speechless. And that takes a lot of doing. The proof of the pudding will of course be in the chiseling as opposed to the eating. But first impressions are wow. Absolutely. And the difference in price between the ceramic stones and a set of water stones was really negligible. I think the 2000 grit was around £60 and the 8000 £78 springs to mind. But I'll obviously put the links to the website that I got them from in the description below. But as I said, first impressions are absolutely blown away. So I'm going to get a couple of my old bevel edge chisels and maybe a couple of plain blades out and see what difference these make. And I'll keep you updated. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Ta-ra.